Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to enter Private DNS in Android to block ads. Relying on traditional browser extensions leaves native apps and games completely flooded with banners, but routing your traffic through a secure ad filtering hostname blocks intrusive tracking domains system-wide without installing a single extra app. First, open the Settings apps. Click directly on Network and Internet or Connections sitting right near the top of your configurations panel. Scroll down the network dashboard layout and click on Private DNS. If you can't fit it, you may need to click on More Connection Settings first to expose this hidden security setting. Once the configuration overlay card pops up on your screen, tap the selection bubble explicitly labeled Private DNS Provider Hostname. Tap into the blank input text field line directly underneath the choice selection. Type in the official free ad-blocking public server string, dns.adguard-dns.com. Click Save at the bottom corner of the prompt layout box to instantly lock in your new network intercept protocols. The operating system will take a quick second to securely handshake with the host server, instantly shutting down incoming ad payloads across your web browsers and mobile application frameworks. And that's it! I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.